Wei, I have something for you.
What is it?
Dead triads. 6 of them in the past few months. All found by the water. All sliced open.
Well, what do the investigators think?
What investigators? You think HKPD puts a lot of effort into solving dead gangsters?
So what, they're not people now?
This is why I'm coming to you. We just found 3 new bodies under the Aberdeen Bridge. Get down there and take a look around. And Wei. Uniform officers on the scene say at least one of them is from your crew.
What? You positive?
Keep your head on straight, officer. And your eyes open.
O beyler. De sărăcul se de. Sau ce cam?
Who are you?
Bomb squad. You here see anything suspicious, officer?
What? No. Is there a bomb?
You know, could go off at any minute. I'm guessing the blast won't go more than a few hundred meters.
Excuse me. I forgot something in my car.
وقتی ما یه نواداز قبل حالا هلا قبل کسی کنه ورشه کنه چرته دی کسی أنا بارخي أنا ورشة Unga certano ورشة الله هوا پلیس هم دقیق خورات سوی نه دا سر لا رشته کنه یار زازی بارا گردانا क्या लाइट में फोटोग्राफ दा बड़ी ओके माना माय जैसे चलो कोई जो वारनी जेका غلا مباشرة ما شاء search the body okay.
Vincent? Shit.
Search the next body okay.
Son of a bitch. Someone did surgery on these guys. Everyone the same. This is no ordinary serial killer.
Harvested. Oh my god, return to the... Okay. دي راه وصلي دي هو راه ثانوي ما Dale-me kočkale ti dao.
Tank, it's Way.
What did you find out?
Vincent. They got Vincent.
I'm sorry. I know he was your friend. What are you gonna do next?
All the victims were Sun ID. All had an organ removed, cut right out of it. You're right, this isn't just about murder.
What's your next step?
The removal looks professional. A surgeon of some kind. I'm gonna look into the hospital records. If somebody's stealing organs, they gotta be using them for something.
All right. Keep me informed.